Hi, good evening. Welcome back. Let's start again the daily AI news series in this playlist. And today is 2nd February, right? So let's unveil the 5 top AI development in today, on 2nd February. So the first news is from Meta. So Meta unveils BlenderBot 3.0, a massive language model with over 175 billion parameter. This new AI from Meta boasts improved natural language understanding and dialogue generation capabilities with a focus on factual language and safety. Let me put the source also. Source is Meta blog post. All right. The second news, which is from OpenAI. So OpenAI releases Codex, an AI that can translate natural language to code. This innovative tool allows user to describe programming tasks in plain English, and Codex will automatically generate the corresponding code. Let me disclose the source also. This is from OpenAI blog post. The third news from DeepMind's AlphaFold 2 achievers near perfect protein structure prediction from the health side. All right, not health, pharma industry, I would say. This revolution AI system can now predict the 3D structure of protein with unmatched accuracy, potentially accelerating drug discovery and other biological research. Source is Nature article. All right, let's go to the next point. Concern raised over AI-powered hiring tools perpetuating biases. A recent study suggests that AI algorithm used in resume screening and job interviews can unknowingly amplifying existing biases, raising ethical concern about their use in recruitment. Let me disclose the source. My source here is MIT Technology Review article. And the last but not the least, EU proposes new regulation for AI systems. The European Commission has proposed a new set of regulation aimed at governing the development and use of AI, focusing on areas like transparency, accountability, and risk mitigation. Let me disclose the source here. This is from Reuters article. So all these 5 latest development I can able to fetch today for you. I hope you like it. And if you like it, please subscribe and share this channel, this playlist to everyone surrounding you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care. Thank you. Thank you for completing this video. And I hope that you definitely have learned something which will help you in your system design interview. Hope to see you in next video with new concept and skills needed for the system design interview. By then, keep learning, keep improving, and keep sharing your knowledge.